Doing a brake pads on 05 LS 430. First part, get the tire off. Second part, pretty simple. You got that one little retaining clip right there. And this pin. Pull out that pin like that. Then on the back side of it, just use a pair of needle nose and just pull on it. Pop it out. Like so. Whatever you do, try not to bend it, just let it work itself out. And watch out for the little retaining clip because it will fly. Or you can just push down on it and then let it go out. Kind of like this. And as you can see, the brake pads just drop in. Kind of like a cartridge. But before they need to compress the caliper. You got pistons on both sides. Right there, right there. Once you compress those, brake pad will come out. Figure it out to compress it without taking out the whole caliper. Get your pair of pliers. Grab it up there. And squeeze it. Like so. I mean, this doesn't make it right. It's just whatever works for you to get it compressed. And the brake pad comes out. You know, it's time for that one to be changed anyway. So, move over to the other side. Drop it in. And yes, some of these brake pads do have sensors on them. But you might want to check and see which one you got. And if it's kind of stiff going in, make sure there's nothing else in there that shouldn't be in there. You should be able to see straight through like that. It's catching a little bit on the piston, but it's not enough to cause an issue. Let's push it in a little bit. Drop straight in. Excuse me. Now, I already got the other side in. Put everything back into place to hold everything down. And reinstallation of your pin. Also, when you put this pin back in, there's a hole in there that this goes through. And it goes in one way. If you put it in backwards, I've seen it where people done it before and had this part on the outside. But that's wrong. It goes like this. You always do the lead in like this and make sure you can find your hole because it's kind of dark underneath here. Press everything down and bam, you're back in business. Any questions on doing a brake on the Lexus LS 430? If you got this body style with this brake style caliper, they're all pretty much the same. So, as always, any questions, drop me a line, subscribe, please subscribe, and I'll post more videos.